All right, Taylor and Jade. So here, let's have a look at where we are today. So you can see here today, looking a little different than what you saw yesterday. We've got machine is right here, and that's the gantry. So we brought it out here into the open, and here on the table you can see we're installing the air channels across here, and we've also installed the arms on which the machine will be riding. And you can see here just how straight they are. Let's have a look here. Yeah, you can see how perfectly straight everything is. And there's Dave installing the air channels, which will pull the smoke across the table equally, no matter where we're cutting. All right, so again, this is our machine, and I don't see a benefit in coming yet to see the machine. I would say let's see what happens tomorrow morning. Okay. All right. Thanks. Have a good night.